Hello, YouTuber. Um, Today I'm gonna show you how to fix a Wi-Fi disconnection. This is MacBook Pro Retina display. Basically, every little while, even if you sleep, the Wi-Fi will get disconnected. Or sometime I'm watching a movie or watching YouTube or whatever, and if I'm browsing, the Wi-Fi will get disconnected. I'm sure most of you have the same problem, and I figured out how to solve this problem. So it is simple, but if you don't know, it's going to be really difficult. So today I hope I can find a way how to fix this. Um, what are you gonna do first? You're gonna go to System Preferences and you're going to Network. Once you get Network, you would see your Wi-Fi is connected. So click that, just tap that until it get highlighted blue and click Advanced. Okay, so once it's click Advanced, go to TSP/IP, click this here, renew DHCP list. Once you done that, okay, you gotta go back to Wi-Fi. As you see, there is so many Wi-Fi has been connecting my laptop. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna remove each of them. How? You're gonna tab one of these and then click minus. That means remove that, and this one, and this one, and this one. But before you do that, make sure you know the Wi-Fi password that you are not reconnected again, because this is the Wi-Fi I have recently using it with this MacBook. Like this is my uh, house Wi-Fi or university or whatever, like my work Wi-Fi. So I know all the passwords, but for you, just to make sure what you're doing, you got to remember the Wi-Fi password. If not, it's not a guarantee that it's gonna be reconnected automatically. Maybe it will not gonna be connected again, so it might gonna ask you for password. So basically I have removed all of them. Okay, and what I'm gonna do, just close it down. Yes. Okay, now what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to another option. It's called keychain access. um that's keychain access. Where you're gonna find it in a search bar, which is here. It's in the corner. Now tap the login and then go to kind. um upon okay, AirPlay client identical. So what you're gonna do, you got to remove this, um like just delete it, easy, and I'll say yes. And again, as you can see, I only got two of them. If you have more than one or two, you got to delete them. So after this, I'm gonna close it down and then gonna go restart it, and I'm hopefully it's gonna work for you as it worked for me for my iMac. So good luck.